Now let's understand which are the income which are not taxable. It means which are not form of our total income. For example, we may say that there are some income which government says that in that income there is no income tax liability. It means there is no tax applicability, right? So in this video we will discuss some of the income, not the all. I have written 7 points in that income that basically asked in exam. So we are going to discuss the 7 point that normally that do not cover your part of income, right? Let's understand one by one. So what are those heads, what are those income that are exempt from tax? First is your agriculture income. You please understand why is agriculture income exempt from tax. Agriculture income is the primary source of India, is the primary source of people, right? And in agriculture most of the people or even the industry, even all individuals are depend. So that is why agriculture income is made exempt. It is not to be counted as the part of your total income, right? But if there is any income you have earned from the agriculture land outside India, that it will be taxable, and it will be taxable in the head of other sources, right? Now the second source is income share of profit of a partner. Normally business firm do partnership firm do the business and have to pay flat rate of tax. Now whatever profit that comes after paying tax to the partners, that amount of profit will be exempt from income tax. Why there? That's why, because there will be a double taxation, because firm has already paid tax, and if we charge tax on the partners end, that will be double taxation. To avoid this double taxation, that profit part is exempt from the tax, right? Now the third point is income received on a voluntary retirement. What is voluntary retirement? Voluntary retirement will willful retirement, because it means retirement has been made before your term of before the actual date of your termination. So if you receive any compensation or remuneration on the time of voluntary retirement, that income is exempt from tax, right? Fifth point is amount received under life insurance policy. What is life insurance policy? Normally we made insurance for meeting some uncertain contingencies. So whatever amount we have received, that is called sum assured money. Sum assured money if we receive, that is not to be covered as income, and that is not part of income, right? Provident fund. Next is provident fund. Provident fund means any amount which was deducted while we were in a service, so that amount is received to us. This is not part of income. Normally this is our income, this is our part of income that we were contributing to the government fund, and that fund is now come to us. That is why there is no income tax liability on this head. This is provident fund, right? Next one is award and reward. Award and reward received from the government is not liable to tax. But please be careful, if we are receiving award from some private institutions or some institution which are conducting some programs or TV serials, or like Dance India Dance League, like KBC, this is taxable. Means award and reward are taxable if we receive from the government authority or government, right? Last one is dividend. Dividend is, I have already told you, dividend is part of profit that we receive from the company. So if dividend is received from the company, it is not taxable to us. But be careful, term is domestic company only. It means domestic companies dividend is not able to tax. If we receive the dividend from the foreign company, it is taxable. It is taxable under the other source, right? So this is some of the points, the 5 to 7 points that we have discussed, that are not liable to pay, that are not part of our total income, that this is exempt from the tax, right?